Hello Hungry Fam, I'm Akansha and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to retest few busted hacks from 5-minute crafts and check if they are actually real or fake. Before starting the video, like, share and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also click on the bell icon to get all the post notifications. Oh my god, for the first hack we have got so many comments and DMs that the hack works, so I just had to retry it. All the original hack videos are in the description box below, you can check them out. First, rub your fingers on a bread slice. Then I'm going to try and lift the yolk. Okay, that's not happening. I also tried with all my fingers but it's the same. Let's try it with garlic. Again, nothing. Literally everyone in my family tried this hack but it's not working for us. I don't know how you all are doing it, but I really want to see this happen. So just send us a video of you trying this hack, and if it works, I will definitely send you a gift. You can DM us on Instagram or mail us at hungerplants2019@gmail.com. For the next hack, in a blender, I'm adding strawberries. Last time I added milk, so now I'm adding fresh cream, condensed milk. Blend it into smooth consistency. Pour it on a tray and make a thin layer, like spread it out evenly. I also got this ice cream scraper which they used. Let it set completely. It approximately took 5 to 6 hours. Now I'm going to make small cuts. Let's try to roll it. It's exactly like last time. It's breaking into pieces and not rolling out smoothly. I think the problem is with the recipe. Like, I don't have the exact measurements. Maybe that's why it's not working out. But yet again, this hack was busted for me. For the injection noodle hack, I got the feedback of using only egg yolk, but they directly injected from the egg. So I don't think so if yolk inject ho paega. So in a bowl, I have 3 beaten egg yolk. I also seasoned it with salt and black pepper. Let's inject it. As suggested by your comments, I'm going to try first with oil. Add the injected yolk directly into hot oil. Clearly, you can see that the egg is immediately getting fried. So I don't think so they used oil in the video. Now let's try again with hot water. Okay, I can see thoda sa noodle shape. So what I'm trying to do here is add the injected yolk in one line rather than circular motion. I don't know if it's making sense, but it's kind of looking like noodles. Not like the video obviously, but ekdam delicate noodles which look good and again looks something fancy. But still, according to me, they did major jugaad in their video. So for me, this hack was a 50-50. This next hack also got a lot of feedback for using rock salt. So let's check it. I'm adding orange juice in one Ziploc bag. Then add the orange juice bag in another Ziploc bag. Add ice. Add rock salt over it. Close it. Now I'm going to rigorously shake this bag. I don't know for how long. So it's been almost 10 to 15 minutes. The ice is completely melted. Let's remove and check our juice. Okay, it hasn't turned into a slushy, but I'm going to try again in a different Ziploc bag. Shake it again for more 10 to 15 minutes. The ice has melted and I can literally see the face in the juice. Not just mine, but even Advait's hand have turned red by shaking this bag for so long. But still, there is no slushy or even a tiny bit of ice. I don't know how others did it, but for me, this hack is busted. So the next hack is the Skittles hack. Yes, last time I by mistakenly said it's skillets, so excuse me for that. So one comment I found very interesting on the Skittle hack was not to switch on the waffle machine, just press it. So I tried that. I used the wild berry flavor. Let me know which colored Skittles are your favorite. Let's open the waffle iron. Okay, it doesn't look like the video at all. It's not holding its shape. Maybe because of the difference in the machine. If you see the last part, it slightly has taken the shape of the waffle. But other than that, this hack was again a fail for me. But the comment was very smart and unique. The next hack is the heart egg one. Most of you said to keep the egg in the horizontal direction, but I saw the hack 20 to 30 times and I placed it correct. But I cut the cardboard thoda bada size mein, so this time I cut it in 2-inch rectangle. Place the egg vertically, place a chopstick in center. Then my dad helped me to place the rubber band on both the sides. I also secured it with double rubber band. I kept it aside for 15 to 20 minutes. Now let's carefully remove the rubber band. Remove the chopsticks as well. Okay, I'm going to ignore the cardboard stain on the egg. That totally depends on the quality of it. But just look at the egg. It's actually shaped like a heart. Let's cut it. And the inside looks even better. It's a great way to make a boiled egg fancy. Just use a better cardboard. The hack totally works and it was a big hit. The next hack is from the chocolate hack video. I got a lot of feedback from you all to apply oil or butter on the silicone mold. So I applied oil and then I piped melted chocolate in a dripping way. I'm going to let it set completely. I also made one without applying oil like before just to see the difference. It's been almost 15 to 20 minutes it was setting. Now let's demold them. First, the greased one. As you can see, it's not working. The chocolate drip is not strong enough, that's why it's breaking. Now carefully I'm going to demold the silicone cup without the oil. At start I thought it will work, but the base was completely stuck, so the side drips also broke. I don't know what's wrong, but again the hack is busted for me. For the next hack, add 1 cup of strawberry in a blender. Blend it into a smooth consistency. Add the mixture on the silicone mat. Last time I used a baking paper. Spread it out. And let's bake it. Within 5 minutes, it got completely burnt at only 180 degrees Celsius. I could save this middle part, so let's taste that. You can see how burnt it is. It's completely turned black. Again, it's nothing close to the original video, but at least I can roll it. And the taste, it is very weird. It has a burnt flavor as well. Again, for me, this hack was busted. So our last hack is from the plating hack video. Before I use the hot tray, this time I'm going to use a hot ceramic plate. I'm going to press this cube chocolate over it. Okay, as you saw, the first try wasn't even close to their design. So I started pressing on the chocolate cube multiple times on the same place. I was kind of layering the design and it's working. It took 20 to 25 layers to get the design, but it looks good. I guess it was taking time for the chocolate to get into a correct temperature to melt. A nice abstract design, definitely not like a tree and it's not perfect, but the hack works and it was a success. Try these fun hacks and let me know your feedback. Today's shout out goes to Sameen Fatima, Rapper FF, Shubhra Singh who is Ananya, Chetan's Kitchen and Arshi. If you want a shout out, all you have to do is subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram and comment on this video telling me that you have. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more amazing videos.